How to add pricing for your products on your Shopify store. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to add pricing on your products on your Shopify store. So it's very easy and there are two ways. The first one is for the existing products and the second one is for the new products. So the first thing you have to do is you can go to your Shopify dashboard here, and then go to your products here, and then you will see your existing products. This one I will just click like this, and then in this page you can just scroll down until you find pricing from here. As you can see, there are two price, the actual price here, the actual price, then the compare at price. So basically this is just for the discount price. So let's say I will change it to 100 like this, and then I will just click save here. After that, let's see the result. Click view here, and as you can see, this is the result. So the 100, this is the discount price and this is the actual price, and that's the first way. And the second way is you can just back to product, and then you can just click add products here, this one, and then you can just back to the pricing form here, and you can just you know make the price and you can upload the products whatever you want. So yeah, that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.